Check this out, folks. This is an old lamp. Old lantern style electric, but the problem was that the little socket was burned up inside of here. And it's very hard to find these pieces anymore. And much less incandescent. Everything's LED anymore. So what I've decided to do is we're going to hold on to these parts here. We're going to hold on to these parts, but I'm going to put this in here. Take the top off, of course. Do something like that. And create a nice little fixture out of this. And we're going to see what happens. Nice, very nice. So it's beautiful. It's just a shame to just throw off to the side. We're going to see what it comes out to be like. We'll see. So what we're going to do, since we can't get a drill inside of that to screw this pancake box down, what we do is we put a pancake box right on the back side of it, mark our little holes, make a little pilot bit. Then we can reach in there with a screwdriver from the inside and mount it. There's always more than one way to skin a cat. And we also got to make that little hole that's in the middle already there a little bit bigger. Pancake has an insulator connector. All right, so in case y'all don't know, the gold screws is the hot side and the silver ones is the neutral. If you notice, every plug has a fatter than the other side. The fat side will be the neutral, which is the left side of the receptacle as you're plugging it in. Another way you could find out is that there's a line on one of the wires. Okay? So it has like rough bridges. If you follow that up, in this case, it'll be that one. So you can follow it down all the way to the end, or use a continuity tester, even though it's just, there's no ground on this. There's no ground on this. But you do want to keep the polarities right. Otherwise, you'd have a screw shell that's hot and the inside that's not. All right, here we go. Yeah, so anyways, this is a plastic keyless, not to be confused with a pull chain. A pull chain would have a little thing to turn it off and on with. We're going to do something different. But for now, we're going to build this puppy. There it is, folks. Final product. Looks pretty good. Restored an old-fashioned lantern electric light to a brand new old-fashioned electric light. Check this out, folks. This tree trunk, we've been working on it. They've been working on it before I got here. What's really cool, if you got any extra oil, once it gets down like that, you throw it in a hole, you light it, maybe give it a little help with some, you know, a little bit of something. I'm not going to tell you what. Just be careful you don't blow your face up. But what's really cool is right now it's working on the inside. So what's going to happen is the outside's going to be good. It's going to be a wind block, and sooner or later it's going to be like a nice little fire pit until it all burns down.